Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is the sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's is in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. Guys, this question, though it looks little difficult, but it is not at all difficult. We need to understand the question so that it would be easy for us to find out the present age of Rehman. Now, let us note down the question, or whatever is being given in the question, let us put it down here and let us try to solve this question. So, what we will do, we do not know the present age of Rehman. If we had known the present age of Rehman, then the question would have been easy, but the question asks us to find out the present age of Rehman. So we can write, let the present age of Rehman be, let the present age of Rehman be X years. So guys, I am considering the age of Rehman, current age of Rehman is X years, because we do not know. We are going to find out the value of X here. So as per the question is saying that the sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. So let us first write down age before 3 years. Age before 3 years. Age before 3 years is equal to x minus 3, because if we know if we are considering the current age as x before 3 years is equal to x minus 3. Similarly, age after 5 years, age after 5 years is equal to x plus 5. So guys, the question is saying that the reciprocal of the age before 3 years and after 5 years is 1 upon 3. So for that reason, we are considering, or we are finding out what would be the age before 3 years. So before 3 years the age will be x minus 3, and the age after 5 years it will be x plus 5 years. Now guys, after knowing all these things, now the question is saying that the reciprocal of the reciprocal of the age before 3 years and after 5 years is 1 upon 3. So I can write the question now like age before 3 years upon age after 5 years. The reciprocal of this age is equal to 1 upon 3. This is what now the question will look now. Once we solve this question or this equation that we got now, we will get our answer or the value of x. Now I can write, so let us do a cross multiplication here. Let us multiply 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 1 into x plus 5. So guys, what I did here, just I took this 3 from right hand side to the left hand side. So as 3 is in the denominator in the right hand side, it will come to the numerator in the left hand side and it will get multiplied with the numerator. Similarly, the denominator of left hand side will go to and get multiplied in the numerator of the right hand side. This is what I did here. I believe you guys might be knowing this. These are the simple calculations, or these are the simple fundamentals. I should not discuss these things here. So let me now solve this equation. The equation will become 3 into x minus 9 is equal to 1 into x is x plus 5, or I can say 3x minus 9 minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So guys, what I did, just I took this right hand side x plus 5 to the left hand side. So in the right hand side this x is positive, so it became negative, and the 5 is positive, it also became negative when it came to the left hand side. Now let us solve this equation. So this equation will be 3x minus x, which is 2x minus 14 is equal to 0, or I can write 2x is equal to 14, because I just took this 14 to the right hand side now, or I can say x is equal to 14 upon 2, or I can say x is equal to 7. Guys, you could see that I am able to find out the value of x. So I got the value of x as 7. Now what is x here? We considered the present age of Rehman be x years. That means we got the present age of Rehman is 7 years, because we got the value of x as 7 years. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and this is very straightforward question, and I believe you understood this question or this calculation what I did. So what I did is that I considered the age before 3 years and age after 5 years. Just I took the current years age as x years, and then I considered the age before 3 years, it is x minus 3, and after 5 years is x plus 5. And then I took the reciprocal of the age, which is x minus 3 upon x plus 5, that is equal to 1 by 3. Guys, I believe you understood this way, the calculation that I did, but still if you have any doubt or any concerns, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.